الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will start our Tajweed lectures properly. The book which we will read in this series of lectures is Madani Qaidah, published by Madani and translated into English by Tajweed. Viewers, here before starting the book, his a dua is mentioned here. Please recite this dua before starting any book. What is the importance of this dua? Please read the following dua. Before you study a religious book or an Islamic lesson, you will remember whatever you study, inshallah. Please recite with me. Allahumma ftah alayna hikmataka wa anshur alayna rahmataka ya wal jalali wal ikram. Translation. O Allah Azza wa Jalla, open the doors of knowledge and wisdom for us, and have mercy on us, O the one who is the most honorable and glorious. And then we will start our first lesson, which is about Haruf-e Mufridat, page number 1 of the book. There are some points mentioned on the top of the lesson. We will learn these points daily. Let's start. There are 29 Mufridat letters, that is, letters in the Arabic alphabet. Like any other language, Arabic also have some alphabet. Like in English, there are 26 alphabets from A to Z, and in Urdu also from Alif to Badi. And in Arabic, we have 29 alphabets, which we call Mufridat letters. These letters are from Alif to Ya. This is first one, okay, which you have to remember, that Arabic language has 29 basic alphabets. These alphabets are called Mufridat letters. And how many letters these are? These are 29. Second point. Pronounce the Mufridat letters with the Arabic accent according to the rules of Tajweed and Qira'at. Here, what is Tajweed and what is Qira'at? It's another subject. Tajweed means to do anything with perfection, that is the literal meaning of Tajweed, to do anything with perfection. So, according to the scholars, the definition of Tajweed is to bring every letter from its place. To bring every letter from its place. And Qira'at is also the same meaning. Okay. And then they are saying that avoiding Urdu pronunciation. For example, do not pronounce them at all as be, te, se, he, he, toe, so. These are the Urdu accents. Avoiding from these accents. Instead, pronounce them in the following way: ba, ta, ta, ha, o, po, and wo. Okay, avoiding the Urdu accent and adopt the Arabic accent. Number third point. From these 29 letters, there are 7 letters that are always pronounced with a thicker voice. 7 letters are always pronounced with a thicker voice. These letters are called Mustali letters. Okay? From these 29 letters, there are 7 letters who pronounced always with a thicker voice. These letters are called Mustali letters. This is the definition of Mustali letters. Who are Mustali letters? The letters who always pronounced with a thicker voice are called Mustali letters. How many letters these are? These are 7 letters. And next, these 7 letters are which are the 7 letters? Are mentioned here. Kha, Sad, Bod, Fa, Wa, Ghain, and Qaf. These are Haruf Musta'aliya or Musta'aliya letters. Their combination, or you can say abbreviation, is Khussa, Dagotin, Qil. This is an easy way to remember these letters by the combination or by the abbreviation. Khussa, Dagotin, Qil. These are 7 letters. Okay, number 4 point. Only 4 letters are pronounced from the lips. Only 4. Out of 29 letters, only 4 letters are pronounced from the lips. These are Waw, Mim, Fa, and Ba. Only these 4 letters are pronounced from the lips. Apart from these letters, do not let the lips move while pronouncing any other letter. While pronouncing these 3 letters, Sad, Sin, Za, a whistle-like high-pitched sound is created. That's why these letters are called letters of Safiria. That is, letter producing a whistle-like sound. This is the 5th point. Okay, we have 5 points in this chapter. First one is, like any other language, Arabic also has some letters, alphabets. These are 29 and these are called Mufridat letters. Okay, this first point. Second point is that we have to pronounce these letters in Arabic accent, not in Urdu accent. Examples are given. Number 3rd point, from these 29 letters, 7 letters are always pronounced with a thicker voice, and these 7 letters are called Musta'aliya letters. These 7 letters are mentioned in the lesson, and their combination is also mentioned for Sabawatin. Number 4 point, only 4 letters are pronounced from the lips: Ba, Fa, Mim, and Waw. Apart from these letters, do not let the lips move whilst pronouncing any other letter. While pronouncing these 3 letters, Za, Sin, Swad, a whistle-like high-pitched sound is created. That's why these letters are called letters of Safiya. That is, letter producing a whistle-like sound. Okay, it's our lesson. Now we read these alphabet with Tajweed in proper Arabic accent. First one, Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa. In Sa, we will pronounce it very soft. From which place it bring out, we will discuss later. But now you have to recite it softly. Sa, Jim, Ha, Qa, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Ra, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ja. So please practice this exercise, this first lesson, repeatedly. Listen to my lecture and then correct the letter which you can't pronounce properly. Thank you so much for viewing my lecture. If you have any query, any question, please mention in the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible.